Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be answering a question that I get asked a lot. Does Smartsheet have a file size limit? I know that this is a question that a lot of people are wondering about, so I'm excited to finally be able to give you a definitive answer. Before I get into the answer, though, I want to take a moment to talk about what Smartsheet is and why it's such a powerful tool. Smartsheet is a cloud-based spreadsheet application that is designed to help teams collaborate and manage their work. It's a very versatile tool that can be used for a variety of purposes, such as project management, tracking tasks, and creating reports. One of the things that makes Smartsheet so powerful is its ability to handle large amounts of data. This is because Smartsheet uses a columnar database, which is a type of database that is optimized for storing and retrieving data in columns. So, now that we have a better understanding of what Smartsheet is, let's get back to the question at hand. Does Smartsheet have a file size limit? Answer. The answer is yes. Smartsheet does have a file size limit. However, the file size limit is quite large, so it's unlikely that you'll ever run into it. The file size limit for Smartsheet is 100 gigabytes. This means that you can store up to 100 gigabytes of data in a single Smartsheet sheet. This is a lot of data. For example, a typical Excel spreadsheet file is only about 1 megabyte in size. So, you could store up to 100,000 Excel spreadsheet files in a single Smartsheet sheet. Even if you're working on a very large project, it's unlikely that you'll need to store more than 100 gigabytes of data in a single Smartsheet sheet. However, if you do need to store more data than that, you can simply create multiple Smartsheet sheets. Additional information. In addition to the file size limit, there are also some other limitations to keep in mind when using Smartsheet. Smartsheet has a maximum of 250 columns per sheet. Smartsheet has a maximum of 10,000 rows per sheet. Smartsheet has a maximum of 50,000 cells per sheet. These limitations are unlikely to be a problem for most users. However, it's good to be aware of them in case you need to work with a very large dataset. I hope this answer has been helpful. If you have any other questions about Smartsheet, please feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.